Talking about forces and motion and how some forces are push and some are pull. I want to talk about another force that has to do with spinning. Now, we are so lucky that the Earth is spinning, it's rotating. And because it spins, it's very stable, which means as it spins like this, it won't tip over. It'll go up, it'll go down, it'll go around, but because it's spinning, it won't tip over. And that's a good thing, because we don't want the Earth tipping over. Here is a special disc I have, and I'm going to start spinning it, and it has very little friction. So when I start spinning it, if I spin it right in the middle, it's going to be like the Earth.
Oh yeah,
I'll put it on the floor here so it goes better. It needs to be flat. Here we go.
Oh, look at it go.
Now, it will take a while to stop. Because of friction, it will stop eventually. But if you take a look at this thing right here, you know, if we drop a marble, it goes down. What happens if we drop it in a spiral? It goes down, but it also accelerates and goes faster. Wonder why? And finally, I can even put this guy here. And he goes down because of the pull of gravity, but he speeds up because we're spinning things. Where's my friend? Oh, is that still going? All right, so this wants to fall. But if we can get it to spin, it's more stable like the Earth. So I can get this one spinning. How are you doing? And now, because it's spinning, it's stable. It goes up and goes down. Whoa!
Cool, all right.
Good job, have a seat. This one, is this still going? Finally, it's done. There's less friction. Now this, if I lift this up, gravity makes it come down. But if I spin it and I keep pulling it, there's going to be a pull force and gravity. Here we go. Ready to watch.
Oh, wow.
We'll get it going again better. Here we go. Ready? Now it keeps going. So gravity's pulling them down. They're spinning, and I'm pushing them back up. I need a volunteer to come here. Come on up here. Now look, keep it going. Keep it going. All you have to do is grab it by the, turn around, face them. Here, grab it, don't let it stop. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Pull, grab in the front. Lift it up high. She's amazing, look at that. Don't let it stop when we all die on the Earth. Not really. And if you keep doing that for like a couple hours, we can make some money, okay? We can put some lights to it, but we'd have to feed you, wouldn't you? So there's no such thing as like perpetual motion. It's going to slow down if you stop on 3, 2, 1, stop. Not bad. Good job. Thank you. I'm going to try one more spinning thing like the Earth. So this is a gyroscope. And if it's spinning, it can go up, it can go around, but it won't tip over. Let's see if I can get it right. Here we go. Just like the Earth. Pull it, get it going. So cool. Here we go. That's cool. That's pretty cool. We need the Earth to spin to give it gyroscopic stability. Don't take my word for it. You are traveling thousands of miles a second as the Earth rotates, as the Earth revolves around the sun, and as the sun, solar system, spirals in our galaxy, and as our galaxy goes around the center of the universe. You guys are space people, spacemen and women traveling the universe, all because you have motion.